Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Blues AI cover with Suno AI, using the right prompt style so your track feels emotional, soulful, and believable, instead of random or generic. In Suno AI, a blues cover doesn't mean copying a song note for note. Instead, you're recreating its overall vibe in a blues style. Think slower tempo, expressive guitar lines, and vocals that feel raw and heartfelt. The goal is to capture the emotion, mood, and performance style, not to duplicate the original melody or lyrics exactly. Suno does its best work when you describe the song's feel and arrangement, rather than naming the original track. So, we'll turn that idea into a clear blues-focused prompt. This makes the output more creative and gives Suno better direction, because you're guiding it with musical details instead of relying on a song title alone. Start by opening your browser and heading to Suno AI. Log in, click Create, and choose Simple Mode. This keeps things streamlined and ensures your prompt does most of the heavy lifting. Simple Mode is great for this because you can focus on describing the sound, mood, and style without getting distracted by too many advanced settings. Now convert your target song into a blues-style description. Avoid the original song title. Describe the mood and performance instead, using phrases like blues style, slow guitar, emotional vocals, soulful feeling, and live bar performance vibe. These cues tell Suno to slow things down, lean into guitar expression, and give the vocals a lived-in, intimate character. For example, if the original song feels energetic, you can describe it as a slow, emotional blues version with warm vocals and a mellow guitar groove. Next, add the essential blues keywords. These are crucial for locking in the genre identity and the room tone. Blues cover, soulful emotional vocals, guitar solo, smoky bar, vintage sound, live performance. Think of these as your genre anchors. They signal a classic, slightly gritty sound with expressive leads and the energy of a small stage. Keep them concise and comma-separated so Suno can parse each idea cleanly. You can also add details like slow blues rhythm, warm tube amp guitar, or intimate club atmosphere if you want the result to feel more specific. To shape the flow of the song, include a structure note in your prompt. Blues song structure, verse and chorus, emotional guitar solo breakdown. This helps Suno pace the arrangement, building verses that breathe, choruses that lift, and a featured guitar moment that feels like a spotlight in a dimly lit club. Adding structure is useful because it tells Suno how the performance should move from section to section, instead of staying flat the whole way through. When your prompt is ready, click Create. Suno will generate versions for you to preview. Listen for the strongest guitar tone, smooth but expressive, with bends and vibrato that sing. Pay attention to the most emotional voice. Slight rasp or warmth is a good sign. And the best live performance feel, where you can almost imagine the clink of glasses and the room's natural reverb. Pick the version that captures that smoky bar energy most convincingly. Don't just choose the first version right away. Compare the mood, vocal delivery, guitar feel, and overall atmosphere before deciding which one has the strongest blues character. If you want longer solos or a more extended outro, use Extend to build on the version you chose. This keeps the same vibe while giving the guitar more space to tell its story. This is especially helpful for blues, because a great guitar solo or slow outro can make the track feel more emotional, polished, and complete. That's it. Describe the feel, lock in the blues identity with the right keywords, shape the structure, and choose the take that moves you. Once you get comfortable with this process, you can use the same method to create blues-inspired versions of different moods, from sad and soulful to gritty, vintage, and live performance style.
Ashtray's full again. Your coat's still on a chair. That crooked little bar sign flickers in the air.